All right, you've been working so hard during our speech sessions that now I thought it was time that we had a little bit of home practice that I kind of walked you through. So you can continue to do some of these exercises and activities while we're not together. One of the first things we're going to practice, and you're going to say these after me, is we're working on saying the ka plus the R, the initial R, afterwards. This way, kind of helping our mouth get in the right position for that sound. So say these after me. Ka, rag. Ka, rack. Ka, read. Ka, rib. Ka, rick. Ka, wreck. Ka, rig. Now I want you to pause and try to do them again on your own. Remember, what's important is that our mouth is open and our lips are not rounded, so we're effectively producing that initial R rather than turning it to a W. You're going to say those words again, but this time I'm going to have you use that whisper technique. So I'm going to have you say these after me, ka, rag. So you're just whispering that initial ka. Ka, rack. Ka, read. Ka, rib. Ka, rick. Ka, wreck. Ka, rig. So pause the recording and go ahead and you try it. Once that is done, I'm going to have you come back through, and I want you to listen to these word pairs as I say them aloud, and then you're going to follow and say them as I say them. So listen first. Rag, wag, rag. Rack, whack, rack. Read, weed, read. Rib, wib, rib. Rick, wick, rick. Right, white, right. Wreck, whack, wreck. Now it's your turn to say them with me. Rag, wag, rag. Rack, whack, rack. Read, weed, read. Rib, wib, rib. Now try the next three on your own. After that, I'd like you to practice going from the word and actually doing a couple of these word phrases. So say these after me, and we're going to be saying them as one word. Panther run, spider race, teacher ribs, newspaper read, sailor rest, painter red, hire rick, paper rip, ladder risk, soccer radio, silver robot. Now pause and redo that on your own. Next I have for you, it is, I'm not finding it here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this is something that is also kind of fun, and it's similar to the spotted game. And so you're going to take these cards and you're going to cut out the circles, and you and one partner or two partners can get together and each of you get a card, and one is in the middle, and you try to be the first to say what's on your card before the other people. Again, really practicing on that, being automatic and correct with your R production. And then at the end, you get to see how many cards you have, and hopefully it's more than your partner's. Lastly, I have a quick game that is similar to those square games that you might have played before. And so with this, what you're going to be doing is you and your partner are going to take turns and say a word, and say I'm saying the word rug. I'll say it twice, rug, rug, and then it's your turn, and you're going to be going until we can somehow, till it's that next person's turn to make a triangle. So you keep going, alternating, wreck, wreck, until that person gets to make a triangle, ran, ran, and gets to put their initial in it. This is a fun way to practice your R sound, and then count up how many triangles that you had. Again, this is just a little bit of some extra fun work that we can do while we're when we're not in school together, and this gives you ways to practice that can keep you engaged and having fun as well. All right, thank you.